welcome back to Ash and Tonic.
I'm Anjali
And I'm Twinkle. And today we're going to talk about guess Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. Or rather, Happy Galentine's Day.
Galentine's. गरीबों का Valentine.
गरीबों का नहीं, I think singles का Valentine's, right?
Yeah.
So Galentine's only girls celebrate with each other.
Yeah.
We can celebrate. Are you going to celebrate Valentine's Day now that you are in a relationship, Anjali?
Which relationship are you talking about?
Does the guy know that you are in a relationship?
Good question.
Are you going to celebrate?
I'm going to celebrate because it's a celebration of love and we should all celebrate love.
You're going to celebrate by yourself?
Of course.
Okay. But don't you think it is very overhyped? Like celebration of love, you can celebrate love every day. So
Yeah. But Valentine's Day is all about consumerism. Roses के price 10x high को जाते हैं. So we have to do it for the economy. We have to like भारत के लिए करना पड़ेगा.
you know, even restaurant bookings are at a higher price. And पहले जब ये Zomato Gold नया आया था, तभी Valentine's Day, Christmas, New Year's, ये time पे you can't redeem or you don't get any discounts or something. So it's that big deal.
Of course. So every year I would go out with my girlfriends.
Really?
Yeah.
How sad.
Yeah, मैं एकदम ऐसे जोर से बोल रही हूँ, but it's what it is. It's what it's. So I used to go, but then अभी recently it's become so difficult because it's so crowded. कोई भी अच्छी जगह पे, first of all they don't take bookings, or if they are taking bookings, so everything is like already booked. Then it's just walk in and stuff. And like I'm like मैं कोई भी दूसरे दिन पे आ जाऊँगी, but मैं ये दिन पे I can't. First, and then you have to look at all these couples. मतलब torture पे torture. I'm like I'm not going out. Yeah, it's too much.
But do they even allow you to enter? Like because जैसे clubs में only couples are allowed, stags are not allowed.
Yeah, but I'm not a stag.
This Valentine's Day पे only couples should be allowed, singles not allowed, something like that.
I'm not a stag, I'm a stagny. No, this is very bad.
You are agony, bro. Yeah, but I think it is very overhyped. And chalo abhi to मैं single हूँ, but even when I was in a relationship, I still thought it's so overhyped. Because why to put so much pressure on just that one day?
I agree.
Because I want to love every single day. I want to keep doing show little gestures and show my love, shower my love. But then एक दिन पे सारी दुनिया करे, I'm like अब तो मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ. And then when I don't celebrate Valentine's and when everyone is celebrating, I feel oh FOMO, I तो have a boyfriend, मुझे तो करना ही चाहिए था.
Yeah, then it's like you become competitive कि मैं उससे भी better plan बना के दिखाऊंगी, मैं उससे. And now with Instagram and everything, it's not even about the plan or about the person. It's about like getting that perfect picture and post. And like I know people, like not personally, but like I've heard of all these things where people take their partner's phone and write the message and everything in the caption for themselves and post it. Like there are a lot of people who are not very like social or like not very expressive on social media. So people do all this. मतलब अभी and obviously अभी पहले तो वो खुद से लिख के करते थे, अभी तो चैट जीपीटी है, तो अभी तो वही लिख रहा है दोनों के तरफ से.
This is the saddest thing I've heard.
But it's true.
I'm glad I'm single.
So people who are celebrating, like putting all that pressure on that one day, it's like a cheat code ना कि पूरे साल कुछ मत करो और फिर बस वो ऐसा जो एग्जाम के एक रात पहले पूरा टेक्स्ट बुक रट के आ जाते थे एग्जाम में, वैसे it's like.
And then they nail it. They top the exam only because they've celebrated Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
This is so wrong, unfair, no?
बाकी पूरे साल करते रहो शोषण, घरेलू हिंसा, जो करना है करो, but Valentine's Day has to be lit.
Yeah. And चलो singles का तो problem है ही. They are only seeing couples everywhere around and everyone is wearing red and but couples जो इतने शायद खुश नहीं हो or maybe they are not as expressive like you said or they don't want to do any grand gestures, I think they are also going through some or the other FOMO, or there's this pressure that is
Yeah,
created.
so basically if both people are on the same wavelength, both partners, and like either both of them are like very into all of that and they genuinely enjoy it and दोनों को करना है, like it's like a thing for both of them, तो then they'll be happy. या फिर अगर दोनों लोग की रहना पसंद करते हैं, दोनों का अंडरस्टैंडिंग है कि we don't like you know get into all this, like it's not something that we are like crazy about,
Yeah.
तो वो भी happy है. Problem is when there's a mismatch कि one person wants all
Yeah.
those like gestures and like grand like celebration and everything, and the other person is like not even into it and not even willing to get into it for the partner. So
Right.
that like you know sometimes you have to have that in between. I might not enjoy or like I might not be like dying to do all those things, but if I know कि my partner loves
Yeah.
all these things, so
then,
Valentine's
yeah.
Day is a fair day to do all those things. It's not
Fair.
like asking for too much.
Right.
मतलब,
I'm that kind of a person who would not want to celebrate Valentine's Day because it is sold to us कि Valentine's Day तो
Yeah.
करना है. But otherwise, like my ex, they would be like, I don't celebrate Valentine's Day. It's too commercial, and I get that. But वो बाकी के दिन भी कुछ खास कर नहीं रहे. तो I'm like, तुम्हारे जैसे लोगों के लिए ही वैलेंटाइंस डे बनाया है कि तुम एटलीस्ट एक दिन तो प्यार नौछावर करो. बाकी मेरे लिए लाइक समवन हु इज लाइक मी, लाइक समवन लाइक मी हु लव्स टू कीप ऑन गिविंग, शावरिंग लव, हमारे लिए तो ठीक ही है. इट्स लाइक अनदर डे.
every day is Valentine's Day for us.
बट जो लोग बोलते हैं कि नहीं नहीं हम तो नहीं सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, दे बेटर सेलिब्रेट ऑन अदर डेज. लाइक मेक एवरी डे लिटिल in little bit ways.
But don't you feel कि
special.
जो person Valentine's Day पे नहीं कर रहा वो बाकी दिन पे क्या करेगा?
हाँ, फिर तो
नहीं
उन्हें
करेगा
करना ही
ना.
चाहिए.
And that- तो Valentine's Day is for that.
जस्ट लाइक अ रिमाइंडर कि तुम पूरे साल में
Yeah.
फक अप कर लो, बट एक दिन शो कर लिया अच्छे से, दिन मे बी यू विल बी सेव्ड.
Yeah, you get brownie points for like showing up
Yeah.
on Valentine's Day and doing something. In fact, I have always been that person who's like you know too cool कि I'm तो above all of this, मुझे क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है, ओ आज कौन सा डे है, रोज़ डे मुझे तो पता भी नहीं है. But I wouldn't
Yeah.
mind if someone like
Exactly.
gave me some little gifts, like who would mind? No one would
Nobody,
mind.
correct. So in a way, it is a good thing that there is one day at least for people who only show bare minimum love. Ki this is their chance to redeem themselves. Yeah, because चलो वैलेंटाइंस डे पे रोजेस आर ऑल्सो वेरी एक्सपेंसिव ब्रो. 50 रुपीज़ का एक रोज़. अदर डेज इट्स लाइक 5 रुपीज़ 10 रुपीज़ जहाँ तक मुझे याद है. तो इट इज़ अ बेटर डील टू शो लव एवरी सिंगल डे, यू नो.
Yeah, for like the same price you can show love on 10 days.
हाँ,
Rather than showing on that one day.
सीरियसली. एंड ऊपर से उसी दिन के लिए there are so many things out on the internet, you can buy this so there's another dilemma कि क्या गिफ्ट दूँ. उससे अच्छा when you know that person deeply, you don't need to wait for one single day to give them something, or just show
Yeah.
love in the smallest ways. कि कभी खाना ऑर्डर कर दिया, कभी डायसन का एयर रैप दिला दिया.
Max he'll do is 250 का air wrap. Don't expect Dyson. Girl, you're asking for too much.
कभी ये रीजन सुना है कि मैं तो कंफ्यूज हो गया कि क्या गिफ्ट लाऊं, इसलिए मैं कुछ नहीं लाया.
You should be tell the guy then कि मैं तो confuse हो गई कि किसके पास जाऊँ, तो फिर अभी तेरे पास तो नहीं आऊँगी.
या नहीं गई मैं.
Clearly.
बट एनीवेज हु डिसाइडेड कि आज का दिन वैलेंटाइंस डे होगा? हु इज दिस पर्सन जिसके बेसिस पे सब वैलेंटाइंस डे ऑफ लव सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं?
So एक अंकल थे दीवाने से वैलेंटाइंस जी. एक आंटी पे वो मरते थे. चोरी चोरी चुपके चुपके उसको देखा करते थे. So actually you know in every family there's that one uncle जी ना who's like कि हाँ मैं तेरा प्यार सपोर्ट करूँगा, I'm there with you. So वैसे ही वैलेंटाइंस जी अंकल वैलेंटिनो, the one shoe brand वाले अंकल, red and black. See Red and Black. वही अंकल जी ने बोला था.
Seriously?
No.
It has now become more like a blackmail, emotional blackmail day. कि at least show efforts on this day. Which is very
Yeah.
sad. What would you prefer? कोई एक ही दिन पे आके out of the way जाके कुछ crazy ही कर दे कि एक हॉर्स राइडिंग की सुबह डेट कर ली, फिर शाम को पॉटरी की डेट, बीच में कोई अच्छी 5 स्टार 7 कोर्स 8 कोर्स मील, एंड देन रात को अगेन समथिंग एल्स फैंसी सेलिब्रेटिंग ऑन अ यॉट. डू यू वांट दैट? एंड देन अदरवाइज बाकी के 364 days that person doesn't even show up. Like not even a coffee date, or maybe basic, but not these kind of, not even halfway there. Would you like that?
First of all, what you described, that entire one day ka schedule, I would require at least 7 days to do all those things.
Really?
I can't do all of this in one
in my
day.
head I can actually pull that
I'm
off.
a very laid back person. I need like lot of downtime. मैं इतना activities ऐसा एक दिन में चलो चलो रीले एक के बाद मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ.
I would love that. I am all in, guys.
In my bed, guys. So as you said कि if the person knows you deeply, then they'll plan accordingly. So I don't even want like gifts or anything. अगर कुछ ऐसा plan ही करना है, like quality time together and everything, so it has to be like a chill, relaxed scene, because that's the kind of person that I am. And of course I don't want it only on one day. I want it in like micro doses every single day.
Doses.
Yeah. Obviously like एक दिन से पेट थोड़ी भर जाएगा. Like खाना तो रोज खाना पड़ता है. ऐसे ही प्यार
fair.
is a like basic need.
Yeah,
But
I
honestly
agree.
I am starved as fuck. So like I
You
don't
should take
know.
yourself on a date.
I do that all the time. I go to my therapist. No, I don't.
She is the therapist, guys.
मेरी तो dates भी therapy session में convert हो जाती है. Like when I go to meet people and then just because they know that I'm a psychiatrist, they are like हाँ मैं खुली किताब हूँ पढ़ ले. दुनिया भर का trauma dumping करके चले जाते हैं यार. I'm like oh, I should start charging everyone by the minute now.
Seriously? They must be paying the bill, right?
Not really. I'm like तुम्हें इतने trauma है बिल मैं ही पे कर देती हूँ तुम जाओ यार.
Oh my god, these are the worst kind of dates. Yeah, but even I am someone who would want some efforts consistently instead of just a full blown big ass day and then not showing up at all. Because वो एक दिन चलो it will have, we are creating core memories, but वो core memory की भी तो एक validity होती है ना. It can't keep going on and on and on. But if the smallest gestures, like I love to drink hot water in the morning, तो कोई मेरे को लाके एक गर्म पानी का कप दे दे, and my day is made already. And if I'm going through something and they're like, let me just order food for you, please order food for me. All
Food
my
is
money
your
is
love
going,
language.
yeah.
We all know it's your love language.
So food and get me a cup of coffee. And ऐसा नहीं है कि I only want things. I would love to do all these things for him. मैंने लोगों के घर पे, लोगों के, मेरे चाहने वालों के घर पे स्विगी के पार्सल भेजे हैं, स्विगी इंस्टामार्ट. आई एम लाइक प्लीज ईट योर फ्रूट. मैंने कलिंगर भेजा है, कलिंगर लोगों के घर.
उसके सर पे फोड़ा क्यों नहीं तूने?
No, I just wanted him to eat fruits. So yeah, these small gestures, they hold very big space. In my
Yeah, in
heart.
fact this is such a, it's a low effort thing. मतलब it's
Yeah.
easy, or it's just that you have to have that intent and presence of mind कि तुमको like पता है that person. Like even I love gifting people like small things. In recent times I've started giving people like it might not be ऐसा expensive or anything. It doesn't have to be, but the thought behind it,
Yeah.
people value it like anything. Happiness on their faces when I give someone something and they are like, okay,
Yeah.
you know me so well that you got me
Yeah.
this. It makes me very happy. So I'm like a very big like people pleaser. That's why.
That is not people pleasing. It just means very kind and sweet.
Yeah, but in general, I'm a very big people pleaser. तो मुझे इसीलिए मुझे चाहिए हमेशा कि लोग हंसे,
How
I
sweet.
try to make people laugh. Try to make people smile.
Ways of expressing
Yeah,
love.
rather than being ऐसा
Yeah.
needy and clingy and
Totally,
everything.
totally.
So-
But I also feel it depends on that person कि उनकी love language क्या है. What things that you do that makes them feel love. So the way you said कि you do छोटी छोटी चीजें to make them laugh or whatever. I do things like I want to make them eat the best food or you know
Kalingar.
yeah, तो वैसे कुछ लोगों का होगा. Maybe they want something very lavish or something.
Yeah.
Basically, just know your person very well,
Yeah.
and then you plan customized, personalized gifts or experiences for them. ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ भी just because पूरी दुनिया कुछ चीज कर रही है तो तुम भी वही करो. Now someone would not want to do pottery at all. They don't want to get their hands dirty. But pottery date is such a good thing. मतलब
Yeah.
everyone loves
Like a
it,
very
right?
nice
It's such a
experience,
very good
yeah.
experience. But then if that person doesn't
Is not
feel
into
loved at all, then it's the most horrible thing to do with your partner.
ये तुम्हारे
right?
साथ हुआ है
No,
ना?
I love pottery.
You
I
are-
love pottery.
It sounds like you are saying this from experience. कि you went on a pottery
Bro.
date. The pottery was amazing, but the person was horrible.
ऐसा कुछ
कुछ तो
नहीं
हुआ
हुआ
है.
है. In fact, I haven't even been on dates, good dates. Forget random guys. मेरे exes भी मुझे नहीं लेके जाते थे. One ex would take me to McDonald's, bro. Like
तू बहुत सस्ते में पट गई
बहुत
थी.
ही सस्ते में.
Okay.
मेरी आंखों पे चश्मा था काला, मुझे दिखता नहीं था. I was blind in love. Yeah, sad. हाँ, so this is also one thing. If the other person loves you no matter what, तो तुम्हारा तो अच्छा ही चल रहा है. But still, it's best to keep on showering love on your loved ones consistently and not just one day.
Anything that someone does consistently counts.
Yeah, and I feel with these smaller things only you build a deeper connection with
Yeah.
someone. कि तुम 1-2 घंटा किसी के साथ spend कर रहे हो and doing everything, but then that person doesn't feel connected only because you don't know them that well, or it's not as per their love language. So then what's the point?
So when we discuss love languages,
Yeah.
if I say my love language is like physical touch, words of
Affirmation.
quality time,
Gifts also.
Yeah, so gifting other people is my love language. Like I like gifting things to other people. So is that my love language? While the other things, what I mentioned, are the things that I want to receive. Because I am thoda like anxious, so I am very fast to give
Yeah.
other people reassurance because I'm like I won't leave anyone hanging. But I feel your love language is something that you want to receive as well. It's like you want
right.
reciprocation of the
Right.
same thing
Same.
as well.
Correct.
तो ऐसा नहीं होगा कि पूरा different होगा.
हाँ.
But like I don't mind if someone doesn't give me gifts and stuff. If someone does, like if they remember small things about me, obviously I love it. But it's not like up there. But quality time, words of affirmation,
Yeah.
all that is like, of course, higher. I don't care about like acts of service and everything. So I'm like, मैं अपना कर लूँगी.
तू कर सब सकती है, but जब कोई और आके कर लेगा तो तुझे और भी अच्छा लगेगा.
कोई
और
नहीं आ
maybe
रहा.
because exactly, so sometimes we haven't even
I've
experienced
never experienced.
receiving. Like मेरे को कोई खाना नहीं खिलाता. I love to cook, okay, but not once have had someone cook for me or something. तो then जो चीज़ मैंने एक्सपीरियंस ही नहीं करी तो मेरे को कैसे पता कि मुझे पसंद है रिसीव करना कि नहीं.
In fact, it's like I'm तो like grapes are सार नहीं चाहिए ही नहीं जाने दो.
नहीं.
I'm like वैसे भी कोई कुछ कर ही नहीं रहा उसमें और कहाँ पे डिमांड करती जाओ.
नहीं, I feel थोड़ा तो स्टैंडर्ड होना चाहिए. But even I'm learning now.
And so what's happening now is I look into the mirror, I see myself, I see the person I am and what I am capable of doing and giving, and I know I deserve better. But then I see the market and उसमें तो मतलब I know that if maybe I deserve like a 70 or a 80 or whatever, but then market में it's like
20.
7, 8,
Oh.
10, 11 ये सब मिल रहा है तो फिर उसके हिसाब में तो फिर जब मुझे कुछ 30-40 मिलता है तो आई विल सेटल ओनली ना फॉर दैट. आई बी हैप्पी ओनली ना बिकॉज
Right.
इट्स लाइक a lot of
Disparity.
disparity.
I agree. Yeah, then we can't do anything, but you shouldn't settle.
I haven't settled.
Yeah.
I'm unsettled.
So, we'll actually judge whether something is ash or trash and tonic or toxic. Valentine's edition. Woo! Okay, so when someone wants to celebrate Valentine's Day when they are in a situationship,
Ash. ले लो भाई जो भी मिल रहा है.
I agree. Tonic. Tonic, totally. तभी तो वो ही है ना. तो
Everything
single
is
तो
a
नहीं हो.
situationship only, yaar. Even a marriage is a situationship only.
What are you saying? No.
Yeah, it's all the same.
No, shut up.
Yeah.
You are way too traumatized. It's ash and tonic, not trash. You should go for it. Because if I would have been in a situation, I would love to be taken out on a date or celebrate.
Yeah.
भले वो 2 दिन की चांदनी है पर मुझे चाहिए वो
हाँ
चांदनी.
ना, झूठा ही सही, प्यार तो कर.
When your guy tells you Valentine's is too commercial but doesn't plan anything on normal days too. It's a trash dump, I swear. Trash. You deserve better people.
सच में यार, आम तो लाइक कमर्शियल है ना, मैं तुझे पैसे देती हूँ.
अरे तू क्यों सबको पैसे बांटती रही
अरे
है?
इट्स ओके, तू ले पैसे पर कुछ लेके आ. इट्स द जेस्चर दैट काउंट्स यार.
Rubbish, money also counts. तू मत दे, मुझे पैसे दे, मैं लेके
मैं तुझे 250 का एयर रैप देती हूँ.
Okay, splitting bill on Valentine's Day.
If you are splitting as well, then go for it.
No.
मतलब कपल भी स्प्लिट हो जाएगा.
Right. Trash.
Yeah,
Toxic.
Trash. I will pay the entire amount, bro.
What is the matter with you?
मैं किसी का उधार नहीं लेती.
Oh God. I remember I met a guy. The only guy I met on a dating app, met from a dating app via.
Wow.
But the experience was so bad. I actually thought कि we'll split, okay. But then I'm like, ये full catfish कर दिया, okay उसने. And I was so annoyed. एक पैसा नहीं दूँ मैं तुझे, जा तू इधर से. And I didn't pay him.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was bad.
In fact, you should tell him, give me some extra money
Yeah,
as compensation
seriously,
for
seriously,
catfishing.
Seriously. Nonsense. नहीं तो even I am very big on splitting.
Yeah.
But ठीक है ना, सामने वाला इंसान ने भी बोलना चाहिए कि
Yeah.
bro, relax.
Yeah.
Pay the entire bill.
I'm like, yeah, depends on my mood and depends on the person. Usually I like to like split the bill, or if I'm meeting the person multiple times, then it's like we can pay on like whatever alternate basis, yeah, whatever. So that's fine.
Yeah.
I'm not that picky कि अच्छा नहीं he only should pay and everything. I'm okay with it. यार इतने कम
standards
स्टैंडर्ड्स और क्राइटेरिया के बाद भी ये हाल है मेरा. Me on Valentine's Day.
We'll go out. Don't worry. Posting on social media with your partner only cause it's Valentine's Day. I think it's toxic.
It's trash, but
Because I'm single.
and no, but I've noticed कि people ना उनका Instagram उनके पूरे 30 years of existence में they'll have like 2 posts, but as soon as they get married, every day they are posting something. That is annoying. When people
Unfollow.
put, yeah, I don't like when people put only couple photos and everything. Like it's like they never had a life before that. I mean, I understand. Because I'm sure कि मेरा भी जो future guy होगा, अब तक मैं उसकी life में आई नहीं हूँ, तो how sad for him. But guys, 2 minutes of silence for him.
Okay. Cool. Low effort but emotionally available, or high effort but inconsistent.
Low effort but emotionally available.
I was gonna say high effort but inconsistent.
So the best thing would be high effort and consistent.
Yeah, obviously. नहीं. Low effort and inconsistent. I've fallen for those guys.
That's the worst.
I know.
In theory, best would be
Yeah, obviously.
yeah, but like I'll settle for low effort and consistent. Because consistency is important ना,
Yeah.
क्योंकि efforts
नहीं,
तो
you
low
said
ही होने
low
वाले.
effort but emotionally available.
हाँ, so that's important.
Yeah. Being single on Valentine's Day. Ugh,
Ash.
trash. I don't want to be single. I want to date someone.
I don't see you putting any effort towards that.
मैं
बस बोल रही है
manifest
घर पे
कर रही
बैठ
हूँ,
घर पे
manifest
बैठ के
कर रही
मैन को मैन फेस्ट नहीं किया जाता बहन, बाहर जाना पड़ता है.
Going out on a date only cause you feel lonely on Valentine's. That's me.
Ooh, never had that thought.
Yeah, it's also, so this question is also for singles.
Yeah.
Because singles don't, so not everyone is big on self love. Self love ऐसा नहीं कि खुद पे खर्चा ही करो, but ऐसे छोटी छोटी चीजें करने से you feel good. You like your company, you get to know more about yourself. So that is self love. So, but throughout the year you're sulking and cribbing and something, and suddenly Valentine's Day hai, you want to be a rebel, you want to be someone who is very high on self love only because it's Valentine's Day. I think it's toxic.
I agree.
है ना?
But so मुझे लगा you are saying कि you go out on a date like from a dating app or something, like you meet the person
Yeah.
for the first time on Valentine's Day
Hmm.
because you are feeling lonely sitting at home.
Yeah.
ऐसा मैंने कभी नहीं किया है और ऐसा कोई गाय नहीं करेगा क्योंकि वो लोग इतना डरते कमिटमेंट से. तो मीटिंग ऑन 14th फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, they are not coming.
No, I think it's not a big deal.
कैटफिश भी नहीं आएगी, कोई नहीं आएगा. They'll be like, ये तो अभी 14th को मिलूंगा तो फिर ये तो क्या सोचेगी, ये तो सीधा प्रपोजल ही ड्रीम करने लगेगी. ओ माय गॉड, नो 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 नो, मैं 13th को मिल लूंगा, मैं 15th को, बट 14th को नहीं. इट्स लाइक रक्षा बंधन फॉर देम.
Seriously?
Yeah, like they won't meet a girl they like on Raksha Bandhan and they won't meet a girl they don't like on Valentine's Day.
Wow, that was nice. I'm enlightened.
Woo. So that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed our fun Ash and Trash and Tonic and Toxic game. And you can comment and tell us your Valentine's Day experiences or your single life experiences or any traumatic experiences. We are here. It's a safe space. We are here for you. And
This is not your therapy session, bro.
like, share, and subscribe.
Yay!